Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload a TikTok video and save it without posting it. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch a TikTok app first. Then I want you to click on the lower center of the screen. Hit the plus sign. Let's create a brand new TikTok first. Let's pick this image over here. Now, we want to edit something, right? Because remember, we want to create a completely ready post for publishing, but save it as a draft because when we come back and decide to publish, the post has to be ready, right? So let's finish editing. Let's put some text. Do you know who this guy is? This is Bob Iger, the CEO of Disney. Okay, let's put some, I don't know, let's put Disney because this is the CEO of Disney. Boom. Okay, so we put some tags, you put some text, we put some stickers. Do you want to put some effects? This looks cool. Now if you scroll down, we can actually add a voiceover, but we're not gonna do that. I think we're done with editing. Let's move on. Now we want to finish with the captions, metadata, right? Hashtags, mentions. Then we're gonna scroll down through the actual location. And last but not least, guys, this is where the magic happens. Pay very close attention. Instead of me clicking post, I'm going to click drafts. So this post currently is saved as a draft. Let me go on my profile and show you where is the post. So if you look at over here, we have the post over here on the top left corner, saved as a draft. Let me click on it. Now you have two options. Option number one will be to continue with the post and publish it by simply clicking once, clicking next, and clicking post. Very easy, very simple. But what if you came back and you change your mind? You don't want to post it anymore, right? So let me show you how you can actually delete your draft post. All you gotta do is to click on the top right corner, click select, then click on the post itself, then click on the lower center of the screen, delete. Click delete, boom, the draft is gone. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.